Hi, this is Alex from Beechhill Garage. On offer, we've got what is my personal favourite from our current stock, MGTC, finished in black with red leather trim. Car's come to us from previous owner who has had the car for a very long time. Bought an MGB Roadster from us. Didn't think he was going to have time to drive both, so hence we've got his TC for sale. As I say, my personal favourite that we've got at the moment. It's a lovely driving car, absolutely on the button. Benefits from the Ford 5-speed gearbox upgrade, makes the car a lot more usable. The car's got a really nice sharp appearance, a couple of little blemishes here and there, but nothing that detracts from the quality of the car at all. Fitted with weather equipment, car comes with side screens. Interior leather, it's in really lovely aged condition. No rips or tears, but it's just got a really nice feel to it. Dashboard really nicely finished. As you can hear, the car ticks over beautifully. No issues, starts really easily, runs and drives spot on. If you've never driven a T-Type, TCs are really straightforward to drive. The gearbox absolutely helps as well. Not that there's anything wrong with the 4-speed, but the 5-speed just gives you that slightly higher cruising speed. So overall, a really nice example. Please hurry up and come and buy it, 'cause otherwise I might have to. Thanks for watching.